Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing an eye look using the Cream and Sugar from e.l.f. Whoops, it's upside down, huh? This Cream and Sugar palette from e.l.f. Get it in front of my face so it shows it. It looks so pretty. It hasn't been opened yet, so give me just a moment and I will open it so that you can see inside. This was $3. I got mine at Walmart, I think. I'm pretty sure it was Walmart. I don't know, I've had it for a little bit. But they have them everywhere pretty much. Well, that didn't work, did it? Still seems to be stuck. There. Okay. That is what we're using today for our, it was in there good. There we go. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be so pretty. We're going to do kind of a natural look, obviously. I'm going for a beachy look. Can you tell? I've been locked in the house, feeling pretty pale. So I kind of bronzed it all up and we're going to go with the natural kind of, but still good look. And then I'm going to go off camera and do my hair and come back. So let's get started. I am going to go in. First, we're going to go in with our Essence Eye Base. And I have already used one of these palettes, so I know that when I use the glitter, I need to use a spray because the glitter, otherwise you have so much fallout, and when you use a spray with it, it's great. I mean, at least the other one was. I'm assuming that they use the same formula on all of them, but I guess, you know, because sometimes you get a palette, a bigger palette usually, and some of them will be really good, and there'll be a couple of them in there that are just terrible. So, I'm not going to judge. I'm not going to prejudge this as good until we've tried it. So we're going to go in with this lightest color and put this all over the lid to help set that eye base that I just put on. This is the perfect match for my skin tone because I can't see it at all. Well, you can see the difference though from the eye base and then this. It's just kind of peachy. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this color right here. The third one, the kind of gold color. And I'm gonna put that in the crease and the outer half. Oh, shoot. This is the sparkly one. So, I am going to, well, maybe I'll put it on the brush first and then spray it. I've never done that. I've seen people do it. And it's a good idea. Keeps it from ruining your pan. But I just have never done it. Oh, it's not gold. It's like a bronze. It's pretty. So I'm going to put this on the outer half of my eyelid and in the crease. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And there's absolutely zero fallout when you spray the brush. So pretty. So pretty. I'm loving this. So now I'm going to pull it up a little higher now that I don't have as much on my brush for the transition. It's very pretty. I didn't get enough juice on this one. Because I couldn't feel the wetness. That meant it was going to fall out on me. There, that's better. It's so pretty. I think this one might be my favorite one. Of course, I haven't tried the truffles yet. But I definitely think I like this one better than the pink one. And I liked the pink one. This one's just incredible. I like this one a lot. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. I think this guy. This is a Sigma E45. I'm going to spray this also. Actually, I'm going to use this like champagne-y color right here on it. I'm going to put this in the inner half of my lid. Oh, yes. This is beautiful. So pretty. I love it. All right, now I'm going to go in with this pointy brush in this darkest color right here. And then we will have used all the colors. And this one is a matte. And I'm just going to put it in the very outer corner to help lift up this eye a wee bit. Blend it towards the center. So pretty, so pretty. I can't believe this eye look is turning out so pretty with e.l.f. products. Come on, e.l.f. You are on your game. This is nice. I did get some fallout over here because I didn't have enough spray on it to start with. But it came off pretty easy. Yeah, it's good. All right, now we're gonna go in with liner, and I am going to smudge line these because we wanted it kind of natural. So I'm going to use my where is it? Here it is. My Maybelline Tatoo Gel Liner Pencil in Onyx. So now I'm going to put my little finger right here, and then I can draw between the lashes. Oh, I got a brush hair on me. Actually, let's go like this. And I try to go a little above the lash. I go through the lash so that I can get some on top, and then I'm going to smudge that up into a nice line. And if you ever get it down in your waterline, can you see that I got it down there a little bit? You just take a Q-tip and run it right across your waterline, and it'll get rid of anything that you didn't want down there that's going to transfer to the bottom lash. I mean waterline, not lash. And then I usually take and put a little tiny bit on the top in the outer corner so that I can pull it up into a wing to help lift that outer corner. I just don't want there to be any skin showing. And then I will take my flat brush there. And I will smudge it. This is a Morphe 432 flat brush. And I just take it from the top and I just smudge it back and forth, making sure no skin is showing between the lashes. And as I do it, I pull it up so I get a nice smudgy liner line. Smoky, smudgy, whatever. And then when I get to the outer corner, I just pull it up more because there's more product out there. That's why I put that extra on the outside, so I could just pull it up even higher and then kind of into a little bit of a wing like that, and it lifts. See the difference in how much lifted and more this looks than this? It's a good trick. And see how I got black all down in here? That's where the Q-tip comes in. But first, I want to brush off some of this that flaked down before I smear it, because I do that sometimes. So I'm going to grab my Q-tip and get some of this black off. That's not a very good Q-tip. It's falling apart. And then you're also going to want to go back in and do that waterline again, because where it was all down there, that's from transfer. And just clean up that waterline on the top. And then, see how much difference that smudgy line makes? And it's so much easier than trying to get it straight. Plus, this is so, when you smoke it, you don't have that shiny. That's what I don't like about liquid liners. I mean, there are some really good ones that aren't shiny, but I don't seem to have any of those right now. Because when I put on that roller one the other day, I thought it was one that wasn't supposed to be shiny, but it certainly looked shiny to me. Always put your lid on, otherwise your gel liner will dry up. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and put on my lashes. Actually, oh, if you're wondering why I don't have lashes on, it's because those extensions that I did on last Friday or the Friday before, they stayed on for like 3 days and then they were messed up. And it was the glue. I tell you, it's the glue. So I will be finding glue for you guys, and I'll let you know when I do. Actually, though, the old glue that I used before worked way better than this. And it was, I don't know where it is or what it's called. Let me see if I can, oh, here it is right here. It's Igloo. These glues that I used in my last, not the one that I just did, work way better than that Lashify glue that I paid $25 for. That stuff doesn't work at all. It never sets. It's just sticky all the time. And you just touch them and they just pull right off. I mean, it comes off really easy, but who wants that, right? No. Anyways, just saying, I will find you some good glue because that was not it. And I'll let you know. But anyways, I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes with just mascara and my brows, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is the look of the day, although I am going to go do my hair. But you will have seen this in the look of my hair probably in the last Monday's video. Anyways, what I did when I went off camera is I curled my lashes and I put on some Tightline waterproof, and then I curled them again and put on Charlotte Tilbury. I only put the Tightline on the bottom. I put both on the top lashes. And then for my brows, I used my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in ash brown. And that's it. That's all I did. I think it turned out really good. I absolutely love the eyeshadows. The e.l.f. eyeshadow that we were using. This guy right here. This is the cream and sugar one. And I absolutely love it. But I do recommend that you always use a spray with the shimmers because there's huge fallout without them. And when you spray them, there's no fallout. It's perfect. They are perfect. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!